everyone. All right, so of course I'm Christy. Ariel is at school right now, but I really wanted to record this video and get it out to everyone. Okay, so this is going to be a very short video. I'm really going to get straight to the point. First thing, announcement. We're going on another cruise. Yay! So we're leaving on our cruise super soon. And we are getting on the Norwegian Getaway. And we have never been on the Norwegian Getaway. Of course, as you have seen in our videos, we just got off the Norwegian Pearl, and we were very happy with the Norwegian Pearl. I think we're going to be very happy with the Norwegian Getaway, and I cannot wait to bring you those videos. So I'm very excited about that. The next announcement is that I launched my website. Well, it's me and Ariel's website, but she's only 8, so mostly I'm running the website, but it's all about our travels. And so I'm going to put the link below. Click on the link, check out our new blog. I hope that it helps a lot of people. So yay for the new website. Yay, everyone, please go and check that out. Sorry, can you see my dog? Come here, Dash. Say hi. He wants to be on the vlog. Oh, he's so sweet. Okay, all right. I'm so excited. I'm happy for everyone that has subscribed. I'm happy for everyone that has watched our videos. And I'm happy for everyone that will continue to watch our videos and join our traveling family. So thank you, and have a great day. Bye.